Milarepa 1040–1123 is considered to be the founder of the Kagyu school of Tibetan Buddhism. His life story is one of the most popular and enduring narratives in Tibetan culture. Milarepa was born in the Iron Dragon year. He first learned black magic and killed many enemies. Later, feeling remorse for his negative actions, he went to Lhodrak to meet the great Marpa Rinpoche. For about 6 years and 8 months, Marpa made him undergo great hardship for the sake of the Dharma, before he finally granted him all the empowerments and instructions. At the age of 45, Milarepa went to Upper Tibet, and for 9 years, moved through Kyirong and Nyal. There he endured hardships, such as wearing only a cotton cloth and sustaining on nettles, and meditated with such fierce determination that he gained the supreme accomplishment within that very lifetime.